I'm doing my video on my Leatherman wingman that came. Here it is in the box. Nice small box, compact. Just open that up. There. There's the tool, there's the wingman. Got a sticker, come with it. Actually got a guide. Tells you all about it. What tools you got on there. Quite in detail. Let's open that up. It tells you all about it. Everything. I bought it because I had this other multi-tool. Kasama tools. It's okay. Does the job. Want something a little bit more compact. Just that one. Take this out of the packaging. It's different, smaller. Size difference. So a bit more compact. Feels better. More ergonomic in the hand. Come with engraving on it. Choice of engraving that you wanted from Leatherman. It's just nice and cheap. Tool's nice and tight to open, and it's spring loaded, which is I like that. Then you've got the tools on the outside. Got a knife. It's straight edge and serrated. One side and it's locking. See the lock there. Push that down. And the scissors on the other side, which are they're good, they're sharp, they did a job. Again, sort of lock, push that down, fold it down again into the rest of your tools, and open it up, and inside you've got your flat screwdriver. Yeah, it's quite big, and then you've got that funny shaped Phillips. I've used that, it's good. Does the job. And the other side you got your box opener. There's your box opener. There. Not quite know what that's for there at the end, but so I can make use of it for something. You got the wood and metal file there, and a ruler on the other side. And you got your bottle opener, can opener, does both, and then you got your wire strippers in there. I haven't used them yet, but I'll give that a go. Yeah, belt clip, which is handy. You ain't got to worry about a pouch, just clip it straight on your belt. Go back to the other ones. It's all loose, quite loose, and that. It's got more tools on it. But this wasn't for me really. Bigger rule on it, and that does the job. But it's good for around the house, good for carrying around. Definitely the Leatherman wingman.